Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in an Acura ILX key fob. This key fob was used between 2016 and 2020 and uses a CR2032 battery. You can change your battery at home. It's really easy. Just get yourself one of these 2032 batteries. I left a link in the YouTube description to buy one on Amazon. It's really cheap, and then you can just follow along. First step, pull on this little lever on the front of the key fob, hold it down to release the internal key. Set that aside now. And you see this little piece of metal for the key ring. We're going to use that to separate the two halves of this key fob. So locate the back of the key fob here. And we're going to put our tool in between. You see there's a little groove between this piece of metal and a lip on the back side. We're going to insert a tool into there. And once you feel that it's kind of secure between those two pieces, going to firmly but gently twist. And you'll hear a little pop. You can see we're starting to create some separation. Now we're just going to come in on the side, doing the same thing, just twisting. Work your way down and twist until you feel the two halves come apart. From here, I'm actually going to use a more delicate tool. Just, you don't want to damage anything in here. You can keep using your whatever flathead you have, or you can even use your fingernail, but we're going to come in on this side of the battery and get under it and just kind of twist or pry it out. Just being gentle. Try to get under the battery and just pull up like that. You can see the battery will come out very easily. Take a new CR2032, make sure the positive side of the battery information is facing up like this, and slide it in, click down. You can see it sits in there nicely, it's secure, and you're pretty much done. Just click these two pieces back together, put your key back in, and you can see that the light comes on, meaning we're all done. If this video helped you out, feel free to like or leave a comment. And for a full guide on this key fob or any other key fob for the Acura ILX, click the link in the description to go to fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.